Good evening, brother, sister, lady, gentlemen. It's me, Dr. Toure. It's me, Dr. Sheikh Ahmed Manjan Toure, Doctor of Philosophy and Political Science and Security Study at University Clinton, Malaysia. Today we are going to discuss about absolute monarchy and constitutional monarchy role. Uh, Today is 23 June 2024. Today, what is regarding the two institutions similarity, what is regarding about absolute monarchic role. The absolute monarchic role has different constitution and different power distinction. The distinction of the two regimes, they are similar relationship. The relationship about the two governmental institutions, their play and the different position and the different context. What is the role of the absolute monarchy king or emperor? The absolute monarchy is the power or remain to one individual will conquer. What it mean all the power? The executive power will going to belong to absolute monarchy leader, and administrative power and judicial power all going to belong to him. Why? All the power belong to him for the stability of the nation and national security, stability, and the economic and institution stability. That's why you can see the one individual will hold the whole power, and the constitution will allow him to rule this particular region. And this particular region, the leader of this particular region, they applied, when he applied, because all the region and different corner, the different category region is applied based on international security policy. All the political regime, all the head of the state, you apply based on the international security position, because only the national security has a right to maintain the regime and give the particular practice for the stability of the nation. The national security, the leadership, the head of the state is a part of the organization, is a part of the national security. The head of the state is the main area to control this particular nation. Is me, Dr. Toure, resident in Malaysia at Clinton region, University Clinton, Malaysia. But if you see the context of the constitutional monarchy role is the two distinction, and that called power sharing. The power will be sharing between two institutions, the administrative institution and executive institution, what called the head of the state. The king is using the duty, the protection of the state and national security protection. But the prime minister will play the role at administrative role for the maintenance and the control of the government institution. That's why the two political system, their relation is totally different, but their role is the same, similar role they are playing. The kingdom is all the kingdom, they are similar. The more important for this particular system, what their relation between the two systems, when the father, because The king cannot be elected, or the emperor cannot be elected by the people. No, no way, no way. The king will be replaced by the son, by the family member, by the blood biological son. After the rule of the father, the son will succeed to protect the regime and give this particular stability of the nation. That's why you can see the two distinctions. And however, the concept of this theory is the relationship among the two systems is the governmental role, the administrative role, and the two systems they are consist and persist and give the prediction for the economic growth about the political institution control. What the control about this political way? Therefore, you can see the concept give the power, and the theory give the solution how to these two political institutions they are playing their role. What is the corporation or the kingdom are playing the system similar role. The kingdom is similar to its kingdom, whether constitutional monarchy or absolute monarchy. The two they are playing the similar role. The role is only the power sharing and absolute power. That is the distinction. That is different. So, by that perception, furthermore, you can see the similarity and the particular role. All the kingdom, all the monarchy role, the king she will be the first individual who is supposed to be wealth, the rich, and the particular country. Why the economy growing is more important in the particular nation? Because the king or the emperor, they are playing the key role for the success of the economy and the stability of the nation. The king is the central governmental institution. The king, he has the ability and the power to make the stability in this particular nation. What is the role? All the constitution have their different role. The law is the politic. When you see what is the meaning of public law, public law is automatically talking about the political science, because the public law is giving the rule how these old institutions will act, what role all the institutions and this nation and this country, their role. So that's why the political science, the public law is the particular, the foundation of the political science. The international law is make the relation between the nation state and how to build the nation relation. And this regime, they are giving the monarchy role, they are playing the stability. The monarchy role, they are playing the economy perfection, the economy stability. The monarchy, the king, have to play the main key role. And the prime minister and the constitutional monarchy, the prime minister will play the administration and administrative participation to help the kingdom development and the kingdom economic stability and the performance of the bureaucracy. The bureaucracy, the effect and negative part and all the kingdom, the affection or the impact is about administration role. The administration role, the bureaucracy can give the negative perception, the image of the kingdom. Why? The administration, how the bureaucrat use the institution to make the kingdom to be weak. In terms of negative perception, the bureaucrat, they are playing the estimation based on the concept and based on